Hi, I'm Renee Richards. Welcome to today's moving news. Today's pick is Green Van Lines. I'm here to talk about the various services provided by this green moving company. But for the long discussion on Green Van Lines services, I like to tell you all that Green Van Lines was the first moving company to see that green is the way to go, and that change was necessary. Green Van Lines insured and licensed with the Texas Department of Transportation and the U.S. Department of Transportation for better customer service. Let's move straight to the discussion on Green Van Lines services. Green Van Lines is expert in all type of moving services. Local moves, long-distance moves, residential moves, corporate moves, industrial moves, international moves, auto transport, storage. Number 1. Local movers. Packing of household goods is an important aspect in any type of moving. Local moving charges are on hourly basis because people move within 300 miles and it will take not more than a few hours. Green Van Lines is highly skillful in packing and handling your household goods. Green Van Lines is also highly rated and trained movers, modern equipments and quality transport medium. Number 2. Long-distance moves. Green Van Lines also expertises in long-distance moving. Long-distance moves require team effort to be stress-free and damage-free operation. Our professional movers have expertised in handling, packing and loading. Number 3. Residential moves. Residential move is normally referred to the moving from one residence to other residence. Generally it does not require too much effort, but it is important that household goods are properly packed and handled with care while moving from one residence to the other. Number 4. Corporate moves. Corporate moves require lots of efforts and teamwork. A corporate move is not an easy task because a complete office has to be shifted from one destination to another destination. Green Van Lines assures well-organized move of all office items. Number 5. Industrial moves. Industrial moves require management and proficiency while moving the heavy equipments. The Green Van Lines has the ability to face such challenges by providing you with highly skilled and trained movers, modern equipments and quality transport medium for the professional and swift industrial moves. Number 6. International moves. International move is an important part of any moving company because it needs better management, lots of effort and established relocation network throughout the world. Number 7. Auto transport. Green Van Lines is also expert in all types of auto transport such as cars, trucks, tempos, vans, etc. The auto carriers are highly capable in carrying large vehicles without creating any damage. Last one. Storage. Green Van Lines provides you the storage facility also. The storage facility can be provided both on the short or long-term basis depending on your requirements. So that was all Green Van Lines moving services. To know more about Green Van Lines, please visit http://www.greenvanlines.com. That is enough for today's moving news, and thanks for watching.